What's up, y'all? I am Andre, your English teacher. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to talk about emotions and feelings in English. If this is your first time to stop by, let me give you a second to like and subscribe. Good job! Welcome to the family. So let's get this lesson started.
And if I could be all you wanted.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am tired.
I am sick. I am angry.
I am cold. I am hot.
I am worried.
I am thirsty. I am hungry. To tell someone how you are feeling, you can say, I am feeling, followed by the adjective. Example, I am feeling happy.
So, what next? Hit that like and subscribe button right now and let's take your English to the next level.